Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Northport is a small rural community on the western side of Prince Edward Island, overlooking the Northumberland Strait. It is part of Prince County and is known for its coastal scenery, farmland, and fishing heritage. Only a few hundred people live in and around Northport, giving the area a close-knit community where many families have lived for generations. The landscape is a mix of gently rolling fields, wooded areas, and red sandstone shoreline that is typical of Prince Edward Island. The community developed during the early 1800s as settlers arrived to farm the fertile land and take advantage of the nearby waters. Fishing, farming, and small-scale shipping became the foundation of the local economy. The protected shoreline provided a place for fishing boats, while the surrounding countryside supported livestock, grain, and later the potato industry that would become one of Prince Edward Island's most important agricultural products. Fishing continues to play an important role in Northport. Lobster is the area's best-known fishery, with the spring lobster season bringing activity to the harbor each year. Fishers also harvest species such as herring, mackerel, and other seafood depending on the season and regulations. The fishing industry supports not only the crews on the water but also local processing, transportation, equipment suppliers, and service businesses throughout western Prince Edward Island. Agriculture is equally important to the local economy. The rich red soil of Prince County is well suited for growing potatoes, one of the island's signature crops. Farmers also produce grain, hay, soybeans, and raise beef and dairy cattle. Modern farming relies on advanced equipment and technology, but agriculture remains rooted in traditions that have been passed from one generation to the next. Housing in Northport is generally more affordable than in larger Canadian cities. In recent years, the average price of a home in the surrounding area has typically ranged from about $300,000 to $400,000, depending on the property's size, condition, acreage, and proximity to the water. Waterfront homes and cottages often sell for considerably more because of the area's scenic coastal views. Although Northport is small, it reflects many of the traditions that have made Prince Edward Island unique. Fishing boats in the harbor, fields stretching toward the horizon, and generations of families connected to the land and sea all tell the story of a community that has adapted while preserving its heritage. Northport remains a place where agriculture, the fishing industry, and coastal living continue to play an important role in everyday life.
Thanks for watching!